Hey, my name is Janet. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about Temp Probe for Hobart part #00-353589-00001. The Vulcan Heart 00-353589-00001 Temp Probe is a temperature sensing device used to measure the temperature of food products in commercial cooking equipment. It is designed to be used with Vulcan Heart commercial ovens, griddles, and fryers. The probe features a stainless steel construction and a thermistor that is capable of measuring temperatures from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to +400 degrees Fahrenheit, -40 degrees Celsius, to +205 degrees Celsius. The probe has a 3/16 diameter shaft and comes with a 6 feet (1.8 meters) long cable for easy installation. The probe can be used in both wet and dry environments, making it ideal FO. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a replacement temperature probe for Vulcan Heart ovens. It is used to replace a faulty or damaged temperature probe and can help to fix symptoms such as inaccurate temperature readings, slow preheating times, and inconsistent cooking results. Here is how you install this part. 1. Turn off the power to the Vulcan Heart appliance. 2. Remove the access panel from the appliance and locate the probe port. 3. Insert the probe into the port and secure it with a nut or screw, depending on your model. 4. Connect the wires from the probe to the terminals on the control board, making sure to match up colors if applicable. 5. Replace the access panel and turn on power to the appliance. You can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.partsfps.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.